Hey friends, if you wish to fix flickering cursor in Microsoft Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now I notice that there is no specific reason for this issue because Excel is not a graphic intensive application, but here's the best that you can do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters, right click and update all the adapters one by one. The next solution is to fix the display resolution. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display and then make sure that you have selected the recommended display resolution. The next solution is to disable hardware graphic acceleration. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, select display and then scroll down and go to advanced display and sorry, there might be an option here for graphics. Yeah, graphics, and then change default graphic settings and then turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. After this, you can reboot your system in the safe mode. I'll tell you how to do so. Sorry, Excel in the safe mode. So press Windows plus R, type the command excel.exe space forward slash save and hit enter. This will open Excel in the safe mode with all the add-ins disabled. Click on file, select options, go to add-ins, make sure that it's selected at com add-ins, not Excel add-ins. Click on go, select all of these, click on remove, and then it's all gone. Was this helpful? And yeah, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.